Well, we got the boat backed up. I've got straps around it. I don't know if they'll hold. It's the same straps we had it tied down with, so I'm hoping it will. Put a little duct tape on to help hold the straps, but they don't do a very good job. But we're going to tip to give it a yank. I'll put you on time lapse because I don't know how long this will take.
I got a call out the blue, free boat if I want it. So I pointed the truck east and I chased that promise. 300 miles of road for a hull and a motor. She sat there on blocks like a queen in coma. No trailer came with her, so we rigged her by hand. Chain tied, hook set, let the whole thing stand. One pull, then another slow and steady climb. That old hull rose up like a stubborn sign. But I knew that face, a 302 Ford heart with some future grace. That engine's my donor for a car project dream. So I loaded the future with the rust and the seams. Winch kept groaning, chain kept singing steel. Every yard we moved her made the deal feel real. Then the trailer shook when the keel met the sway, and I laughed at the mess as we rolled away. SS sink me not, SS sink me not. I took the long way to bring her home. SS sink me not, SS sink me not. No trailer, no problem. We hauled that ghost of a boat. Now the video shows it dragging off the deck. Half the world would call it junk, I call it a check. One boat for the story, one engine for the plan. Everybody gets their piece when the rescue starts in hand. SS sink me not.
Now that we got it unloaded and sitting on the ground, let's see what kind of prize we have here. It's supposed to be a 302 Ford engine. I know there'll be stuff we'll have to change on it. But that's what we're going after, guys, right here. And there you have it. One crusty boat drug off a trailer, and it's still in one piece. Now we have to see if we can get that motor started while it's still in the boat, and if it starts, then we'll remove it and get it on a stand and see what needs to be done to get it running good. But that'll be for another day. If you watched this far, I really appreciate it. I appreciate all my subscribers and viewers, and if you don't mind, hit that like and share button. That'd be great. And if you haven't, please subscribe, and you can follow along on this boat project. Turned it into a Mustang project. This is just stupid stuff that I do. You guys can do it too. We'll see you next time on the Lone Wrench Garage.
Free didn't